different social media forums as well. They connect with the employees much before they join. So they follow the leaders or the managers on Twitter as well, or try to connect with them on social media and say that okay, with whom I'm going to work with. So they check all this thing. So and then when you look at like talent, they are very high on loyalty. They are very high on credibility. So they can be seen, they can be identified differently. They take very much of a pride in whatever they do. They have a very high advocacy factor for the organization. That I work for this organization, and this is why I work for this organization. So they are very verbal. They talk about it. Okay. They have passion for their work, their field. So passion we spoke about, like what is passion, and in the earlier session. Okay. And talent is also like they are seen as role model internally, as well as they act as a brand ambassador outside in an organization. Okay. I picked up couple of industries which are from different into different industry segment. So if you look at like a consulting firm or a banking firm or company like Microsoft or Apple or an IT company, SaaS. So these are some of the keywords which demonstrate, which tells about their work culture. And as an employee, as a prospective employee, people with the similar passion, similar values, they choose these companies. That okay, I want to work with this company because this particular company is fast paced. For example, Microsoft. This is the way they define themselves. Apple, like work hard, party harder. Someone said, okay. So fun, yet at the same time very demanding. So if you have that kind of an interest, that's the place. Google, where like sharing idea is something which is welcome, and respect for hands-on contribution is at the same time is considered very valuable in the company. Okay. Then we'll look at couple of more companies. For example, some of the companies which are local as well. So Make My Trip, which is a travel and leisure portal. So they are completely into the work, fun. And a company like Intel, they promote inclusion or diversity as an important factor in their culture. They in fact welcome the LGBT community as well in the company. So that is something unique about their work culture. Blue Dart, basically they believe in adopting as well as spreading the best practices of the company. Then you look at Marriott, which is a hotel industry. So they believe in excellence, they believe in service, world-class service. So that is what they believe in. NTPC, for example, a different organization. They say that a culture where people work to enjoy and also like they enjoy to work the place. So coming to the last point, which is SCL, they believe in employee first. And when they say employee first, they have deployed some of the programs or practices which really live up to that employee first word. So for example, they have a program called Genie. So like in that what is Genie, right? Or Jinn जो होता है. So आप उससे wish करते हो और वो आपकी wish पूरी कर देता है. So they have a program called Genie. So, which is a personal assistant program. So you wish something, you want some help from the organization. It may be on the personal front. So organization tries and help you on that personal need of yours. So Genie is a program. Or for example, sometimes you need a professional or a personal advice. So there is a program called Mitra, which is friend, Mitra. So Mitra is running in the company. So again, which supports their employee first dimension of the organization culture.